Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Glam Polish, Liquid Luck, and Yours Love Sascha Aim for the Stars plate. I started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is Glam Polish, Liquid Luck. That's so pretty. It's a creamy base. I would say kind of like a creamy white, not really a true white. And it's got gold flecks in it. Or gold, oh, I can't think of the word. Shards? I don't know. But it's so pretty on the nail. And that first coat went on like butter. No problems, no issues. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Sorry, I lost the footage of the second coat, but I did get 2 coats on there. And now we're topping it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat so that we can get this to dry down so we can do some playing. So there we have it. Isn't that gorgeous? Here is Yours Love Sascha plate, and I've got the link there on the screen. I'll be using Hit the Bottle Copper Haired Girl for stamping this one today. I've got my beauty scraper out and my Conad stamper. So these are some of the plates that my friend Miss Becky sent me, and I'm already jumping right in and playing with them. And I have to tell you, I'd never heard of these plates before, but look how great that picked up and transferred. I am so excited. I'm cleaning that stamper off on a lint roller, and the plate gets cleaned with pure acetone. So I am just using this star image right here for most of the nails. I just really liked it. I don't know, it was singing to me. After all the leaves and the fall and the Christmas and the whatever, I was just kind of wanting something a little different. So I just kind of went with what my brain was telling me, or what, you know, when I looked at stuff. This is what jumped out. So here we go. We're going to add that one to my middle fingernail. I really like it because you can still see a lot of that base color. And I had enough of that stamp left over to do my pinky nail too. For my accent fingernail, I wanted to use this like swish of like a galaxy. My nail's not very big, so I don't need a whole lot of it. I'm just getting a little bit of it up there, and I'm going to put that on my ring fingernail. Look how pretty. I'm going in with a piece of tape and getting up the excess off of my skin. Very easy cleanup here, nothing really problematic or anything. Very nice and smooth cleaning. I am going to top this with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Once that's completely dry, I'm going to top it with Poshe top coat. I loved this one. I just was really in love with it. So I hope you enjoyed it too. I do have some Mani in Motion coming up very soon, as well as a swatch photo, but I would love to hear from you. Tell me down in the comments what you think about this combination, and what do you think about this manicure. So much fun doing nail art. Ugh, I'm in heaven. So I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.